Namaskar, this is Abhishek Sengupta from Tales and Talks podcast by ASG Talks. Friends, this word past life regression has been quote unquote in the scene for last few times, and we have been coming across through many podcasts, through many information mediums, and today we are going to talk to someone who has been into this profession for last 15 years. She is Miss Minu Minocha, and this lady has been a past life therapist, and she helps people to take themselves out from certain challenges that they have been going through. Interestingly, today we'll be talking about the people who are from the corporate background. You see, people are stuck. People are stuck in the formation of going ahead or the pattern of career that they want to. Today, she'll help us to understand how and what are the ways where you can see through yourself and take conscious effort to improve yourself in the way or on the path that you are driving yourself through. So let us welcome Miss Minu Minocha ma'am for Tales and Talks. Hi ma'am, namaskar.
Namaskar. Thank you so much for having me here with yourself.
We are really very blessed to have you here today. I have
And what?
actually seen through and have gone through a lot many of your podcasts, and of course, this podcast is very different that we will be talking through. We'll be talking about the people who are into the corporate world and the challenges they go through. तो ये जर्नी कहाँ से शुरू हुई? What made you come down to this platform?
I actually got into Reiki healing first, and then the sir, the mentor from whom I was learning Reiki,
Okay,
he got into past life.
okay,
And when I experienced, like it was just like a general experience he was giving, introductory sort of. When I experienced that, I found it to be a very interesting modality that it goes deeply into your soul. So you can go to the very root cause of what is bothering you. You
okay.
know, being reincarnated on this earth is actually a gift to us, to
True,
humanity,
true.
because it helps the soul to grow. So वो पोटेंशियल जो है ना इस पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन के थ्रू बाहर तक आता है, मतलब हम उसके साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं ऑन अ डीपर लेवल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मैं क्या करके आई हूँ या क्या मैंने गलत किया है, क्या मुझे ठीक करना है यहाँ पे। तो वो कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत ही पावरफुल है। सो दैट इज व्हाट अट्रैक्टेड मी टू दिस मोडालिटी कि डीप रूटेड हीलिंग हो जाती है एक तरह से।
Correct.
So,
So आपने जब when you actually took it through, uh, if I may ask, was it a easy way to understand the mindset of someone? And the world is all about unique minds, right? So every mind is different.
absolutely.
So I'm certain that this not must have been very easy for you.
There is no criteria.
There is no criteria.
Every person, as you said, is unique. Like hats off to his creativeness, you would say, creativity. That every person, like no two souls are the same.
Correct.
Everybody's journey is different, even if it looks similar on the surface. Beneath, it's all different. Like I've done, I don't know how many sessions till now.
Approximately still?
I have no idea. More than 1,000, I'm sure.
Oh my God.
And no two your sessions are the same.
Every individual have been different.
Yeah. Even as I said, even if on the surface it seems कि वो same story है, divorce हो रहा है, बच्चा नहीं हो रहा है, पर नीचे उसका जो root cause होएगा will be totally different.
मतलब सबके reasons अलग-अलग हैं.
Totally अलग.
Oh.
कोई match नहीं करता एक दूसरे से.
सबके circumstances अलग हैं, सबके time periods अलग हैं.
Time periods अलग है. How they react to the circumstances, that matters the most.
Wonderful. So सीधा हम अपने टॉपिक पे आते हैं. Let us come down to the understanding of people working in the corporate. So see, the corporate possibly today is called a corporate. पहले इसको business कहते होंगे, व्यापार कहते होंगे, या किंग्स के टाइम में कुछ और कहते होंगे. I really don't know. कॉर्पोरेट में एक फियर है. मैंने इस पे काफी सारे वीडियोस भी बनाए that I might not lose my job. I might lose my job. So I'll rectify it. So ये जो डर है मेरी नौकरी ना चली जाए, ये डर कई बार इंसान को आगे बढ़ने नहीं देता. It's a major hurdle. So what is it as per you? Is it something which is related to the past life that they carry, or your understanding on this?
It's a very genuine fear. Everybody has it. The fear of failure, of losing their job. it can be coming from a past life, the fear. Not about losing the job, it's just the fear that is coming from the past life. And that gets intensified here because of the circumstances. Like I had a case, similar sort of case, like he was always fearful कि चली जाएगी मेरी नौकरी.
अच्छा.
तो उनका फिर हमने किया था, he's working, he's well settled, but this fear was very strong inside him. So when I did his session, he saw himself as a, जैसे ना किसी tribe का head था, chieftain जैसे कहते हैं, chief था, head किसी tribe का.
In his past life.
In his past life.
Okay.
And he was overpowered by his son.
Okay.
The son overpowered him, threw him into prison. So उसका जो सारा रुतबा था, it just vanished overnight and taken over by his own son. So now you can just understand the mindset of that person who was overthrown. He's just lost, broken, fearful. And with that thought, he passed away. Okay. So the last thought that you pass away with, that is of utmost importance because it is shaping your future life. अब आप उस fear से, like being broken, lost, उस fear से आप छोड़ दिया उस lifetime को, but you have carried those feelings over into this lifetime. And that was what was impacting him here. उसके mind में हमेशा वो fear रहता था कि I will lose everything.
अच्छा.
Because he lost everything over there and he passed away with that thought. That was the root cause of his fear. As I said, everyone will have a different story. This was one story. So there are many others. और हर एक का different reason होएगा why they are in that state of fearfulness. And you know what happens when you're in that state of fearfulness? You actually manifest it. Because you're constantly living in that fear, is thinking about it all the time. तो वो हो जाएगी.
So that's मतलब ये एक subconscious mind का role play है.
बिल्कुल, बहुत powerful role play है. So you have to understand. This is where mindfulness, this is where understanding yourself comes in. Am I creating my situation?
Achha, this is a genuine problem. I think, if I'm not wrong, 80% of the universe who are working would be having this challenge. So we will be talking on the solution aspect as well. So क्या है इसका सबसे clear solution जो आपको लगता है कि ये इसकी वजह से लोग बाहर आ सकते हैं?
So all these mindfulness techniques जो होते हैं, they are very helpful. So first of all, but I need to be aware that I'm carrying that fear. वो awareness ही नहीं होता, हमें समझ ही नहीं आती क्या है,
किस बात का डर है,
हाँ, किस बात के. तो वो मेडिटेशन के थ्रू, माइंडफुलनेस के थ्रू हमें समझ आ जाती है कि दिस कैन बी द रूट, एंड इट्स नॉट नेसेसरली फ्रॉम अ पास्ट लाइफ टाइम, इट कैन बी फ्रॉम दिस लाइफ टाइम्स पास्ट ऑल्सो. आप अब 30 इयर्स के हो, 35, 40 इयर्स के हो, तो आपका भी तो पास्ट रहा है ना इस लाइफ टाइम में. अब आपके बचपन में क्या हुआ, दैट विल ऑल्सो बी इम्पैक्टिंग यू. So if you've had situations where you were not able to succeed, so you're carrying that imprint, कि I will not succeed. So that doing healing for that becomes very necessary.
Wonderful, wonderful. Similarly, this is what talking about people who are scared of losing the job. There are people who are stuck in one formative role only. So they do not know how to come out of that particular situation or the role or the job role, and they feel bad about it. They feel really sad on that कि भैया हम यहीं पे अटके हुए हैं, हमारी तो growth ही नहीं होती. Of course, there are similar problems, but how, if we can distinguish it somewhere from the past life or from the fearful factor, so what is that they get stuck? What is the reason, primary reason? What do you think?
Again, mindset, I would say.
Okay.
So that's a very valid concern people have about being stuck, not being able to progress. So it can be coming from a past again. But again, as I said, it could be your mindset over here. Like if you're not able to progress as a child, so you have that insecurity, that feeling that, okay, I will not be able to achieve. So I had one case where nothing was moving in his life. Like career-wise, he was not progressing.
Okay, he was working somewhere.
He was working somewhere, but no progress. And he was not being given that, you could say, the validation by the people also. Like he was doing his best, but and everybody knows he's doing, but he's still not given that validation. Ki, yes, you are doing the work. So in the past, when he went, he saw himself as a property builder. He saw himself as a builder.
Okay.
And then he realized that the building that he had built, it collapsed because he had used low-grade material.
Okay, that was his karma basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that was where. So now he became responsible for those people's death
And those people are related to him in this life?
in this
ऐसा है?
lifetime. So they are there around him now.
हाँ.
And they are not allowing him to progress because now he has to pay back to them. So when you are in a situation where you are stuck completely, you feel that nothing is moving, not from outside or from within you also, the best thing to do is forgive yourself. I'm not able to handle things. I'm not able to move forward. Self-forgiveness is of utmost importance. कि wherever you are, it's because of something you have done in the past. अब हमें सबको तो नहीं पास
किसी
में
को
जा
नहीं
पाते,
हाँ हाँ
नहीं
हाँ.
पता चल सकता. बट अगर कोई फीलिंग ऐसे आ रही है कि प्रॉब्लम्स बढ़ रही हैं, कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, जस्ट स्टेप बैक एंड फॉरगिव योरसेल्फ. सो देयर आर प्रेयर्स अवेलेबल, और इवन जस्ट हैविंग द थॉट ऑफ फॉरगिविंग योरसेल्फ, दैट हेल्प्स अ लॉट. एंड समहाउ रास्ते ना निकलने लग जाते हैं. Somehow, because you know, life is all about understanding yourself, your growth. And growth किससे होएगी? First of all, with forgiveness. अपने को forgive करो, forgive the people around you. That brings about your growth.
The only thing is, what I feel is, ma'am, कई बार क्या होता है, people who are working for the corporate, उनको ये डर होता है ना कि मैं स्टक हूँ, एक तो डर है, और message of forgiveness is very thin, what I find. Forgiving self तो फिर भी एक बार के लिए आदमी कर ले. But the problem is when they are tortured. I'll come to this question. And what should they do? Okay,
So-
let me get this question in. So ये तो हो गया, I'm stuck. Now the next version of this question comes is, I am being betrayed by people in and around me. There are people who are merciless, who do not consider me, who do not look up to me, and कुछ भी हो जाए मेरे आसपास ये लोग आके खड़े हो जाते हैं, और उनको कई बार मैं फॉरगिव कर नहीं पाता. ये शायद majority of the people would have that. What to do in this situation?
So forgive yourself for not being able to forgive them.
Oh,
Actually, everything comes down to that forgiveness only. It is a very, किसी क्या होएगा इससे? But it is the biggest thing. We don't take it lightly. Forgiveness is the root, like you could say, the foundation of everything in your life. Or the other person is becoming aggressive or traumatizing you. Why? Because you have to learn, become accepting to become forgiving. जब तक आप वो नहीं करोगे, he'll keep torturing you.
oh,
The moment you start accepting and forgiving, he'll back out. Because you are learning your lesson. That's what you're there for. The other person is, because look, we come here before we come into this world, we plan our entire life. We know what we have to learn, the soul. It knows what it has to learn, and it is ready to face any situation to learn that lesson. तो चाहे उसको फिर टॉर्चर भी सहना पड़े, वो तैयार है कि जब वो मेरे को टॉर्चर करेगा तो मेरे को एक्सेप्टेंस आएगी. और like we come here for only two things, either to release the karma or to learn lessons. अब आपने low grade material use किया है, you have sort of like cheated those people, so you have to face that much suffering yourself also. So it becomes very difficult. How can I tolerate it? How can I accept this suffering? So that is what brings us onto the spiritual path. Only he can give us the energy, the courage, the strength to face it all up.
possibly because of that, the loop keeps on rolling in, right?
So if I'm not able to tolerate it, so I have a choice. I can move away from there. Okay, I can't take it anymore. So you're just delaying it to your next job maybe, or to your next lifetime.
अच्छा, मतलब if you are not forgiving, or you're just coming out of that situation, the situation will change its course,
Yes,
but it will remain.
it will remain till you have learned your lesson of acceptance, of forgiveness, of gratitude.
So if somebody betrays, suppose, say in business, coming down to from employership to employership. So कोई business करता है और constantly fail करता है. There are good examples who have failed constantly for decades. Then he has suffered, he has lost many things, and all of a sudden he builds up an empire. But लोगों को लगा now he is over. But उसके बाद वो खड़ा होकर के there are people who have made something out of nothing, from rags to riches. ये कैसे होता है?
So we missed out the point where he's fallen down and now he's risen. What about the time in between? So he got the chance to work on himself, to understand.
The suffering part.
द सफरिंग पार्ट इज गॉन थ्रू इट. अब उसके बाद समझ आ जाएगी ना कि मैं क्यों गिरा,
Hmm.
व्हाट डिड आई डू रॉन्ग, और हाउ कैन आई लाइक whoever is down वो हाथ पांव तो मारेगा ना वापस आने के लिए. तो he'll try to get into the situation to understand what was it that I was doing wrong. Understanding, accepting.
The mistakes that you learn from.
एक तो होता है ना कि we don't even want to acknowledge the wrongs that we are doing. कि मैं गलत हो ही नहीं सकता. It's because of those people my business has come down. We put the responsibility on others. But I need to take charge of my mistakes. And when I acknowledge them, I'm able to reform them. तो आपको फिर चांस मिलता है ना कि आपने सीख लिया अपना लेसन, तो देन रास्ता खुल जाएगा आपके लिए.
Very nice.
तो अगर आप
Very
नहीं कोशिश ही नहीं करोगे, सो एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करोगे मेरी गलती की वजह से मेरा बिजनेस डाउन हुआ है, तो आप फिर कैसे ग्रो करोगे? आप उसको वापस रीएस्टैब्लिश नहीं कर सकते.
Basically, the acceptance, forgiveness, these are two main mantras for your self growth.
Absolutely.
Whatever I think.
Nothing else in the जितने मर्जी रिचुअल्स कर लो, जितने मर्जी तंत्र मंत्र कर लो, but ultimately it is your acceptance, your forgiveness, your gratitude, your lovingness that matters the most. I call these the 4 pillars of life.
Correct. So now if somebody, अगर किसी ने betray किया भी है तो उसको आपको forgive कर देना.
Because he is betrayed for a reason.
And that is his karma.
Yeah.
अब उसका अच्छा this is next foundation. Now he does a wrong to someone. What is going to happen? Just asking for the sake.
वो होता है ना कि अब एक लाइफ टाइम में मैंने बेट्रे किया, नेक्स्ट लाइफ टाइम तुमने किया, अब नेक्स्ट में मैं चलूंगा.
ये खत्म नहीं होता.
So there has to be a line drawn somewhere.
Correct.
So when you get into that awakening part, the soul will realize it. You're being given the chance to understand and awaken. If you don't want to awaken again, it's your choice. You can take it on to the next lifetime. पर awaken तो होना ही पड़ेगा. चलो 2-4 lifetimes निकाल दो एक दूसरे को मारते हुए. But 3rd, 4th, 5th कभी तो you'll realize it's useless.
मतलब उसका क्या पाथ है, उसका क्या कर्मा है. Let's not get into that. हमारे लिए जो है हम उसको छोड़ करके आगे बढ़ते हैं.
We cannot change the other.
Correct.
Bottom line is that.
Yes.
I have to work on myself. So if I have a very aggressive boss, I need to calm myself down and send him positive thoughts. What happens that he's aggressive, I'll also keep on, oh, he's always yelling at me, he's always angry. सब complain कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में, वो तो है ही ऐसा. I'm just adding fuel to his fire. So how do I want him to be? I should send those thoughts. I'm not saying it will happen overnight. He'll change.
Correct.
But when you are calming down, he'll also calm down.
True.
So it works both ways. So it's when I work on myself, people around me also get affected.
Do we choose our professions, or how is it like? Something like I have been working for someone, then could not be satisfied. This is my personal life. So just sharing it. I have been working in lot many corporates. All of a sudden, I could not settle down. And then I started off my own business. Then I started off this podcast. So what is it like? Now, a simple thought process, just putting myself into it.
Like some souls are lucky. They have great clarity. यही करना है मुझे. Especially with the art forms. Dancing, writing, they already have those genes in them. They've done it in the past life.
Okay.
And they come here and they are able to get into it quickly. आप देखोगे नहीं तो छोटे-छोटे बच्चे dancers
एकदम से करने लगते हैं.
Singers बने हुए हैं. तो वो already they are carrying those genes. But majority are not so lucky. They have to struggle here, find their fit. So whatever resonates with you, जहाँ आपको लगता है comfort, कि yes, I can do this easily. So sometimes we have to switch careers switch paths to find out what is best for us. So there should be no hesitation in that. अब जैसे हमारा वो mindset है ना कि इंजीनियर बनना है, डॉक्टर बनना है.
हाँ.
तो पेरेंट्स तो फिर उसी में डाल देते हैं.
But पेरेंट्स फोर्स कर देते हैं.
But you don't resonate with it. So in fact, my जो मूवी है आई है 3 Idiots, उसमें ये भी दिखाया था. So but we need to have the courage to understand, to be able to change. उसमें भी दिखाया था he had a problem, he was not willing because parents are wanting him to become that. So but वही है, हमें वो courage चाहिए कि I will follow my calling. So you get a lot of indications around the path कि what is meant for you. You feel more attracted towards those things.
Okay.
But आपने तो engineering की line choose करी है, तो how can I get into cricket?
True.
तो वही, but you have to follow your calling and only you can decide.
True.
Nobody from outside can decide it for you. तो इट्स नो हार्म इन एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग. लाइक हम वो कहते हैं कि अच्छा कैसे हो सकता है, इंजीनियरिंग कर लिया, अब कैसे यू कैन शिफ्ट. But if you're not able to fit over there in that
If
world,
you might not become a good engineer in that
yes,
case.
you'll
Yeah.
not be doing justice to your job, to yourself also.
On and off, what happens, ma'am? There is a notice that people uh, carry on the same relay. Like they mix up or they gel with people who were working with them in a certain organization, and they come out and they do their business, and again they part ways. Any lights on that? So
So,
they were working for a corporate together. They come out of that corporate, they start off their own business, and then they part their ways. So what is it like?
so you were meant to be only till that point of time together, only
Okay.
till that, because everybody comes for a reason. They come, they help you, support you. Maybe you needed that support at that point of time. Now, once that is done, so they become redundant in your life. Then you don't need to carry on further. So ये आया गया तो लगा रहता है. So whoever is there to help you at a particular point of it. Like I give the example, like the 5th class teacher is not going to be there till the 8th or the 9th.
Correct.
So उनके साथ जो सीखना था वो हो गया.
Hmm.
जो आपका अगर उनके साथ कोई कर्मा था वो पूरा हो गया. Either he supported you or you supported the other person. It was done. And then they part ways.
Okay.
So that comes with relationships also. We meet so many people, but किसी के साथ एक connection ज़्यादा हो जाता है. But 2-3 साल की relationship थी, अब खत्म हो गई. तो इतना ही था हमारा क्या. तो आपका जितना कर्मा था उसके साथ वो हो गया पूरा. जो उसके साथ आपने सीखना था, understand करना था, you've learned that. So you don't need to carry on further. So then maybe you don't get married to that partner. So there will be somebody else who's taking you the rest of the way.
Fantastic. So just talking on this, I had a good clue. People are more of into the disturbance side of the mind today. Whoever is working, there are more of independent ladies who have been growing very steadily in their life, and there are lot many divorce cases because if we see this separation over the time has exceeded because there is no dependency. That's the reason, possibly the primary reason, because मुझे किसी पे dependent नहीं रहना, तो हम अपना अपना कर लेते हैं. Is it past karma? I'm certain कि कुछ तो होगा, but
कुछ तो होएगा, but it's more about the general mindset nowadays.
okay.
That's what आजकल यही trend है. Women are more independent now. Earlier they were not so. So इसलिए इतने divorces नहीं होते थे. But now everyone is in their own self. So I can manage my life myself. So थोड़ा सा both of them partners need to mellow down a little.
Okay.
Become more accepting. To become more forgiving.
कुछ लोगों का ये होता है कि they are more of both the partners are busy in their work और वो फैमिली लाइफ को टाइम नहीं दे पाते हैं. इस वजह से उनका सेपरेशन का चैलेंज बढ़ जाता है. सो उस वजह से उनके बच्चे भी सफर करते हैं. क्या है मैम, बच्चे क्यों सफर कर रहे हैं और ऊपर लोग काम में इतना व्यस्त हैं and they are not able to give time to each other. So can these be healed through past life? सबसे पहली चीज अब हीलिंग पे आते हैं. These are the challenges that we have talked of. Now, can this situation be healed?
When you go through a past life session, you see what was there in the past. So you become more accepting to things over here.
Okay.
कि मैंने ऐसे behave किया था. Like I had a case where a strained relationship with the husband.
Okay.
So this lady, when she went into the past, she saw herself in a village setting.
Okay.
And she was a very calm sort of person, wise. So people used to come to her for help. But उसके husband को ये बात पसंद नहीं थी.
अच्छा.
So he was like, he tried to stop her from that. And then he also got into an affair. She understood that he was...
the husband.
The husband had somebody else. And to get her out of his life, he took her and left her in the middle of a jungle. So मतलब उस टाइम में उसने उठा के उसको जंगल में छोड़ के आ गया.
अच्छा, मतलब जो उसकी करंट जो उसकी वाइफ थी मतलब.
हाँ, तो I asked her to see why did you face this situation, so go back to a further lifetime. So she went to an earlier lifetime और उसमें she felt that the same husband and son were there and very loving family, but somehow she was very insecure. तो उसने क्या किया, जो property था ना उसने अपने नाम कर लिया without telling the husband.
अच्छा.
So that dishonesty came in. And that is what she was facing over here now. So the relations were strained. Here there was no child. She was not being able to conceive also. तो बेटा तो आया ही नहीं. Husband was there. And now here she has to learn integrity, which is a very important thing in the corporate world.
Absolutely. It relates to your profession as
Yeah,
well.
absolutely. So because she lacked integrity over there, here she was facing similar situations of being blamed by husband also, by office colleagues also. तो वो चीज उसकी dominant थी. So she
Okay.
had come here to learn the lesson of integrity, of honesty, integrity.
I guess majority of us do not understand when are we learning.
नहीं पता चलता. We do not know what we have to learn and how are we learning.
And life is so simple. मतलब कोई गलत करके गया, आप उसका कुछ कर नहीं सकते. मतलब you are not here to fight, not a warrior out here. So those who are warriors, I exclude them. But of course, okay. Coming to this important part, there are leaders who have big challenges while they communicate with their team.
Mhm.
So communication is of course a very different subject altogether. But I've come across good leaders because I'm a trainer as well. So they have big challenge on communication with their teams. The teams don't understand. At the same time, the people in the team don't have proper respect. So इसका भी कुछ होता है मैम past life से
Past
when you
life
drive
से
your
भी
team.
हो सकता है. So when you are not able to like, there was a case. I had this lady. She came to me. She was facing a lot of such issues where she's not able to connect to the people around her. The communication skills तो इतनी नहीं थी,
Mm-hmm.
but she couldn't relate, or people couldn't relate to her.
Okay.
So when I took her into the past lifetime, she saw herself as जो पहले ना वो होते थे black magic करते थे बहुत, witch type of person.
Okay.
She saw herself practicing witchcraft,
हाँ.
and because of that, naturally the village में रहती थी वो. Villagers were not happy with her, and एक बारी she felt that she was being pushed out of the village, thrown out of the village, and she cursed them all.
Mm.
And because of that curse, the village had to face a situation of famine, and a lot of loss of life happened. Now she felt that those people were around her.
अच्छा, when she went down to her
Yeah.
past life.
Yeah. So
Okay.
those जो वहाँ के लोग थे वो अब इस lifetime में they were all her office colleagues.
Oh my God.
So that is why she was not being given any much किसी के साथ connect नहीं कर पा रही थी, because they were all there to make her suffer.
Oh. This is serious. This is serious. And if she changes her office, then वो फिर दूसरे लोग होंगे.
वो भी होंगे same, because she has to
Correct.
become more aware of what she had done.
Okay.
अब now if you are not past life में आप नहीं जा पा रहे हो, नहीं देख पा रहे हो, but you feel such a situation, so again the same thing, acceptance and sending them thoughts. Forgiveness, अपनी forgiveness करो, and you can read a general forgiveness. You don't have to go and apologize to everybody, but there should be a general forgiveness for people around you. So forgive them, because somehow they are all concerned about me. They want me to grow. So whoever is the individual, उसकी growth, the other people around him are ensuring. So कहीं ना कहीं आप ही grow करोगे when you face such a situation.
Okay.
So हम इसको मायने नहीं देते कि क्या है
क्या
इसका.
हम लग जाते हैं पीछे कि
हाँ.
कैसे करके उसको बस खींच के पीछे ले आए.
But actually it is all about our own growth.
Actually, it's so simple. Just let's not bother about what the world is doing. Do what you need to do.
Yes.
Very simple line, what I may say. Okay. Now, do you think that corporate world should have a past life? मतलब everybody can be come across this past life. सबको आना चाहिए या सब आ सकते हैं?
सब तो नहीं आ सकते. So it depends on divine timing. That's what I understood.
Fantastic.
So some are very like meditative, still not able to go. Some never meditated and yet they go so deeply. So there is no criteria as such who can go, who can't go. If it is time for you to go and understand your growth path, you will go.
Okay.
So try करने में कोई हर्ज नहीं है. Doing the session, it brings an awareness into you.
Okay.
So even if you don't go into the past, it's a healing technique. So going into the past life is a bonus. That's what I've understood. आप जब वो space में चले जाते हो ना, going connecting to your inner mind, even if you're not connecting deeply, it somehow heals you.
So just asking मैम, when ये ना अभी बहुत बढ़ के आया है past life. पहले मुझे नहीं पता ये पहले था कि नहीं था, बट जब मैं छोटा था तो पॉसिबली उस समय इंटरनेट या सोशल मीडिया वाज नॉट दैट बिग. So thank God it is there. That's what we are doing the podcast. So वो इस समय नहीं था. So how is it that the awareness has the world has awakened over this, or it has been since ages? What
It
is your
has been there for ages. Like we even find it in history.
is that so?
Yeah, in modern world, Dr. Brian Weiss books
Yeah.
have become very popular.
Yes.
And in India, Dr. Tripti Jain, उनके बहुत जो पहले सेशंस होते थे दूरदर्शन पे,
Hmm.
that is what brought it into the mainstream.
Okay.
You could say she's the pioneer of bringing it outside
To the world.
Yeah, in India especially.
What is her name?
Dr. Tripti Jain.
Tripti Jain.
Yeah.
So Dr. Brainwaves I have read through
Uh.
the masters. I'm forgetting the name of
many
the book.
masters, many
masters.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
So they have brought it to the forefront, and coming to the present moment, times have changed.
Hmm.
This is a time of ascension.
Pardon?
A time of ascension. What like awareness has to come into this world now because times are changing. The एक ना युग जैसे change
युग
हो रहा
change
है,
बदलाव हो रहा है.
बदलाव हो रहा है. People are becoming more spiritual. So they're trying to understand themselves. So this is a very good modality, a very good way of understanding yourself.
Yeah, actually, you just get in and you see through the forgiveness part of your own. You have just, it's a very simple word, forgiveness. Fantastic. And people keep on getting into the block. Okay, we had a wonderful part of this. Now we'll get into the rapid fire. So this is a special session and I won't give you much time.
Okay.
It's just you have to answer it very quickly and that's how it goes on. So here we go. So my first question to you is, one myth past life regression has?
That will get stuck over there.
Okay.
Which is not possible because you're not going anywhere.
Unless and until you go.
You're not going anywhere physically.
Absolutely.
So it's like a guided dream state. So you're not getting stuck anywhere.
And it's a very easy state that I have found it out. One transformation that surprises you the most?
There was one person who used to face a lot of panic attacks.
Acha.
तो कुछ उसका reason नहीं पता चला. Nothing was helping him. So when I took him into the past, he saw he was a butcher. And उसने animals और birds जो है ना बंद करके रखे हुए. And now those birds, animals, they were always in a state of panic. That is what influenced him. And here another thing, he was fearful of flying. He couldn't go on by air because birds को harm किया था. So flying was connected to that.
फिर बाहर कैसे आया?
And like immediately he lost the fear.
Achha.
And he hasn't had a panic attack after that.
Yeah. He could understand what was it.
Once you get the understanding, your mind assimilates it and you're able to let go of the fear.
Fantastic. Can everyone, I've already talked about it, still I'll ask, can everyone access past life?
Not as such.
Not as such.
Divine timing.
One emotion most professional carry unknowingly?
Of not being enough.
Okay. There's something which bothers them.
I'll not be able to give my 100%, or I'll not be able to cope with the situation.
Okay. Wonderful. So, promotional block is what? Karma or mindset?
Could be both.
Okay. One past life role you commonly see in today's manager?
They could be, they have been in a space of authority.
Okay.
In a role of authority.
At some point of time.
So could be royalty. I've seen a few who have been royal people.
Yeah.
Some have been like courtiers.
Okay.
So always in a position of authority. So yeah.
I don't deserve success. Is it something related to the karmic memory?
It could be possible that maybe because of you betrayed somebody.
Okay.
And that has got carried over here.
That's what you're carrying.
So, but you have that, look, the soul is its own judge. So soul keeps poking you from inside. So you have those feelings from deep inside, okay, I don't deserve it. I'm not like worthy of it.
Okay.
Soul feels that it's not worthy of the success. So then you get this mindset of I don't deserve success.
Wonderful. Okay, last but not the least, are workaholics repeating our old life identity? What is it?
Maybe they were not able to achieve what they wanted in the past lifetime. So now they have that drive within them. No, I have to achieve. Yeah.
So is it that they would achieve it in this lifetime or something?
Quite possible.
Quite possible.
Because wherever you put effort, you're naturally going to rise.
The biggest blockage to growth क्या है?
Ego.
Ego.
That's the biggest thing. Like we feel we know everything. Person who is in that ego state of mind, I don't need to learn anything more. But there is always scope. And the people who are egoistic, they're the most vulnerable people. They're actually trying to hide their own vulnerability in some way or the other. So then they become aggressive, bombastic, so they don't let anybody come close to them.
This is a very common, I have seen people who actually make a ring around them.
Yes. I would like to add another thing. My mentor, he gives a definition to ego: edging God out. When we are disconnected from the divine, from the universe, we become egoistic. We feel we are the ones doing things, which is not true. There's a higher power running the show. You're not the manager of the universe.
Absolutely.
So we have to surrender to that higher power. But when ego comes in, spirituality goes out.
Absolutely.
So that is something blocks your growth. But again, you have to acknowledge it. People don't acknowledge that I am egoistic. We need to not acknowledge it as such, but for your own self, for your own growth, you have to understand that I need to let this emotion go. It's just blocking myself, harming myself. So the more we take people along with us, the more we will grow.
Wonderful. So I think we had a wonderful session, ma'am, and it was a quick on the go. Friends, this is super important for you to understand. If you're working for someone or you are yourself an entrepreneur, you need to understand that what is it that's stopping you from your growth. If it is something which we have talked about, and majorly it would be something that we have talked about, then you have someone whom you can consult with, and I am so certain that you will be really coming out or understanding the benefits of your own self. Why are you here in this universe? Let us build up a better world together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.